Hey YouTube, it's your girl Dr. J, and my kids are going to be presenting tonight at a local university. They're going to be doing a chemistry night, and basically they have some projects that they're going to present to the public. So I thought, in an effort to give them a little bit of practice in presenting, we would go ahead and do a YouTube video on this. So we're going to talk to you about the different projects that they're going to be doing, and I'll let them show you some examples. So what are some of the projects you're going to do?
Tie-dye.
Okay, and how do you do tie-dye?
You use markers on a rag and you put alcohol on it, and the alcohol makes it spread and it makes a picture.
Okay, so we show one of these. So that's one that she did, and what she's going to do is she's going to take a lot of rags to the chemistry night, and then she's going to demonstrate live for people how they can make their own tie-dye. So what's another project you're going to show?
Runaway pepper.
Okay, how are you going to do runaway pepper? You can talk about that.
You get a bowl, and then you put some water, a bowl of water, then you pour pepper in it, and then you put some dishwashing soap, and the pepper goes to the outside.
Okay, and so they're going to show that reaction, and then you can talk about the rock candy. So how do you make rock candy?
You take a jar and you put hot water in it, and then you put food coloring in it, and then you put a pipe cleaner. You tie a pipe cleaner to a pencil, and then
And what other ingredient do you put in there to make the rock candy?
sugar. You put the pencil over the jar, and the pipe cleaner will be in the rock candy, and then you put a paper towel over it.
Yeah, and so this is the one. They each made their own jar. This is one of the jars. You guys can see the rock candy climbing up the pipe cleaner. But at first they just had a paper towel over the jar, and you guys can see that they wrapped the pencil around the pipe cleaner and put the pipe cleaner inside. And as it sat and they would change out the water every couple days, the rock candy began to grow up the pipe cleaner. So they're basically going to show that chemical reaction. And then afterwards they'll be able to eat the rock candy. So we use like organic sugar. But this was another project that they did. And then one more.
This is my filter that I made. It has puffballs and then gravel and then some more puffballs and then some sand.
And what does it do?
Well, the dirt gets collected here, and then the color in the water gets soaked into the puffballs. Then it filters again through the gravel, and then it does this. And then there's some more puffballs right here, and then there's some sand that does the same thing as the gravel, and then it all gets collected in this cup.
And what he did was basically, he likes to hack things. And by hacking, I mean he likes to look at things that are already made and how they work and see how he can improve upon it. So last year or earlier this year for an inventors contest, what he did was he and my father-in-law built a solar oven through a pizza box, and then he went and figured out how could he make it better, how can he make it work better. And with this one, we had a kit that was a water filtration kit. So what he decided to do was see if he could make a better water filtration kit. And so his filtration kit that he made, and all three of them actually used different things and made different kits, made different water filtration kits, and all of their water filtration kits that they made ended up working better than the kit that we purchased. And they would use different substances to see what was the better filtration process. So those are the various projects that they worked on for chemistry night. And the chemistry night, basically what it is going to be at a university, and it's run by a local Mensa chapter. And what they do is they actually have college students and college professors that have various exhibits for kids to do as they go through the process. But starting last year, my kids and some other kids that were doing some science classes with me were invited to come and present their work that they had done over the course of the year as well. And we were actually invited back again this year. So these are the projects that they did to present to the public. So are there any other things you guys want to say to YouTube land?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, I will come back and do another video probably in a couple days to let you know how chemistry night went. But this is the tribe, and they just wanted to show you guys a few of the projects that they were working on for tonight. So this is Dr. J with her littles.
Bye.
And
Bye.
bye-bye.
See you later.